Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Cosplay. Today we are back with a new tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made a Pokemon Trainer OC jacket drawn by the artist Walucard. It's also linked in the description below, and as usual don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. It keeps the channel growing and the videos coming. And without further ado, let's do it! So these are all the pattern pieces that I made for the training jacket. And here are all the cutout parts. I start with the front by sewing the top black and bottom white parts together. I also have ironed the seam apart. Now I'm gonna sew the arm front and back together. The middle and sides of the arm get this orange band sewn on. And this is how it looks so far. Here you're gonna start sewing the main front and back part on the shoulder together. Now that this is done, it's time to sew the arm in. After the arm was sewn on, I'm gonna close the arm and the side of the jacket with one big seam. And this is the current progress. An additional orange band is also added to the front and the side seam line. Here you're gonna attach just a small pocket flap because the customer doesn't want a real pocket there. In the next step I start working on the hood by adding also an orange band on the left and right side. After this is done, a thick middle strip is sewn on. And this is how the hood looks now. I can now attach the hood to the neckline of the jacket. In the next step, just sew the zipper in the front. A stretchy orange hem will now be added to the end of the arm. And the long black stretchy hem gets attached to the bottom of the jacket itself. In the last and final step, the inner lining gets sewn on to the outer part. For an in-depth tutorial you can watch my video about inner lining. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay, in my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or what I can improve on this channel in general. And if you have any questions, put it down there. Otherwise, under my question video, it's for an upcoming 500 subscriber special when we finally reach this goal. And if you haven't already, maybe subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. It helps me a lot. And yeah, until then, I see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'm out. Bye.